In this video, I'm going to talk about how to handle refunds for expenses. And I'm going to demonstrate this in Wave apps, but the concept would be the same in any other program. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is go to the credit card. You can see on this line that there was a purchase of office supplies. I'm just going to look at the details. This was an Amazon purchase on August 6th with the credit card, and it was posted to office supplies. And then right above that, you can see this deposit of $85 that is marked as uncategorized income. So in this situation, what happened was they purchased some things on Amazon, but then they returned something for $85 and got their money back. So typically what I like to do when there's a refund of an expense is just code it to whatever expense account I used for the original purchase. So in this case, it was marked as office supplies originally. So what I'm going to do here is also mark the refund as the same expense. And in Wave, it doesn't let you just mark an expense account. You actually have to choose this option to say refund for expense. And then it gives you the list of all the expense accounts, and you would just choose that expense. So here's office supplies. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Don't make it complicated. Just post it back to the same expense account. I'm going to go ahead and run a report real quick so you can see what that looks like. So I'm going to go to the profit and loss, details, and here's the office supplies account. And you can see the purchase, which is a debit to the expense account, and the return is a credit, so it's going to subtract, and the net amount of expense is $70. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a second example. Now I'm in the checking account. And in this second example, they purchased tools and small equipment for $1,000, but then they returned a portion of that purchase back to the store and got a refund for $250. So that original expense is going to be an expense or a withdrawal. And then the money that they received back is a deposit back to the checking account. So all I have to do here is choose refund for expense and then choose the same expense account that was used for the original purchase. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look at the report real quick just to see what that looks like. Here's tools and small equipment. And you can see the purchase of the expense was $1,000 and the refund was $250, which makes the net purchase or net expense $750. And that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.